Okay, it is full already.
Aloha, welcome aboard. Hey, aloha.
Maybe they raised it up.
Yeah. I hope it's like
Look, y'all get a... We're on South Baratania right now. Got off the Apollo Valley number 6. This is Central Union Church here. This is the parking for the Punahou Carnival. Well, not all the parking. There must be other places the other park. I feel like that's all for the volunteers. Yeah. Okay. Against my better judgment, we're gonna go to the Punahou Carnival. We're tired, but we're just gonna suck it up and do it. Yeah, like a 1 hour walk.
Yeah, not stopping to...
Oh, you got some willpower, huh? Manasana. $10 parking. Okay, same. Oh. Yeah.
That's okay. We support the bus.
Yeah.
Try to get the business.
This is the same parking. Maybe not. Oh, Shriners. The Shriners over there. Shriners Hospital for Children. Yeah, I don't see the price. Yeah. Yeah, it could be, yeah. I'm gonna mount my 360 when we get to the front, so just when we get across, just hold on. When my doctor says, they always ask me about COVID questions before I go in. Have you been around anybody with COVID? I was like, I don't know, I don't think so. Huh? Well, I guess knowingly, I guess, yeah. It's like, did you knowingly go? Yeah, never know.
Matanda ako to.
Yeah, you. Hey, this is where I was born.
And then he came out. Have fun up in there. Okay. People leaving already. That means we stay less
Yeah, a little while.
less than 2 hours. It's not like Disneyland. You can't stay here all day.
Maybe they were, came to help set up, volunteer, and then stay for a little while.
Do their shift and then they're out of there.
And then did a little bit of playing games or something, or shopping, and then this is Kapiolani. Women and Children's Hospital. Yeah. I thought everybody was born here. But then Queens also. What if you were born at home? Would you say, what would you say? I was born at home. I couldn't make it to the hospital. Mom couldn't make it to the hospital.
People like this.
I didn't realize Marino was right there too. Yeah. Oh, but so the closer you get, the more expensive. But that's true, yeah. I guess. Or yeah. Sorry, thank you. I want to step off the sidewalk over here on either side. Now this is the far end of Dole Street.
Yeah, Amazon. That's right, yeah, be friendly Amazon.
I love this guy.
I remember I was going to go back.
We go this weekend. Dad, can we go this weekend?
Yeah, we can go look around. Got time. Yeah.
Valentine's
watch this sidewalk. Oh, go press them. Yeah, just go press them again.
It's cloudy in the daytime.
Yeah,
It's good now.
perfect now.
Although it's very hot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. The big ones, yeah. Oh, cause didn't they get rid of? They got rid of a lot of the big rides, yeah. EK Fernandez.
That was like the same one. The Punahou.
Yeah. All the smaller ones that they can break down easily.
Yeah.
You can go ahead. I meant that I didn't know if you knew it was recording.
Yep, I'm recording.
Should you pull on this side?
This?
Yeah.
Pull it.
If you can pull it on. Okay. Perfect.
How high?
Okay, that's good. I thought it used to be on Sunday too, no?
No, it's always Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Never on Sunday.
Scared, man.
Go. How did that become a way to sing happy birthday? Everybody sings it like that now. How much?
What's wrong?
I know, right? But then you gotta cook it. Okay, we'll come out this way. Let's go around.
Just smear your face, babe. You have your